And they want us to grow up, but we don't want to get a job. We all need a decent rock where it's all kicking up. Maybe it's alright. Maybe it's alright. You don't need to call the fuss. Maybe it's alright. Maybe it's alright. It's obvious. We're just after cheaper thrills. Since the price